What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to use aluminum foil for survival. I've come up with 19 different ways. That's right, 19 different ways to use aluminum foil in a survival situation. Unfortunately, I can't show you all 19 ways right now because I'm indoors in my home studio, my dining room table, until I can get a studio all put together. So, without further ado, number one. It's a little flimsy, but it's a basket. And there's a few things you could do with this. Collect rainwater. You can boil water in it, which that's what I have going on over here. I made a smaller, thicker version of it because I used one similar to this and it was very flimsy. So I made a new one right there. So yes, you can boil water in aluminum foil. I already got it going, as you can see. Another use for this one, like I said, it's a basket. Depending on where you are, you can use it to use it as a crab trap, or the little crabs on land that you just dig a hole next to their little burrow or whatever. So whenever they walk out, they fall into this and they can't get out. Same with scorpions, depending on where you live. Also, if you're walking around foraging, you can collect food in here. So there's a few uses just from this right here. This piece, I made basically an envelope. I mean, you can keep a bunch of different things in it, but this one in particular, you can use to keep dry tinder. I mean, obviously, if you go underwater or something, it's not going to work, but, you have it sitting next to your shelter and it rains, just have it up like this, the water will bead right off of it. Keep your tinder dry. But like I said, you can keep on other stuff in it too. Now, yes, this piece, it is a little flimsy, but get some sticks on there, bushcraft. You got yourself a windbreak. Just to make it a little more authentic. Your windbreak. And also, you can use it with a candle or your lantern or anything like that. Put your aluminum foil behind it and it reflects light. Make your tent or shelter or whatever that much brighter. You can tell that's from Joey. This little doohickey, I used an arrow because let's say you're out in the bush hunting with your bow and arrow. I mean, obviously you could use a stick too. You put this piece on here, and as the wind blows, it shakes this around and reflects the light. Signal rescue. Or you could hang it from a piece of paracord with a rock underneath for weight. As long as that's moving around, reflects the light off, you got rescue, or a signal for rescue. What's another one? I don't really have a knife that I don't take care of. I take care of all my knives. So I can't really give you an example of this one. Roll up a piece into a ball. You can use it to get rust off of your knives. You can use it to scrub pans after you're done cooking. Yeah. this piece right here, if you carry matches with you, not everyone does, keep your matches dry. And if you have the kind that you need a striker for, oop, I got 2 of them in there. Oh, no, just 1. Keep your striker in there too. It's cardboard, so obviously you get it wet, it's not going to work. Now, like I said before, you go underwater, it's not going to work. It's not 100% waterproof, but, you know, it's better than just having them sitting in your pocket. What else we got here? Alright, we'll use this same piece. Say you got a crack in your water bottle or your tent even, maybe. Break off a small piece, get some pine sap, you got yourself a patch. Here we go. Grab a piece and fold it. Say you got some scissors that are getting dull. Just cut a bunch of strips of this and it sharpens your scissors. Let's see. Oh, char cloth. Break off a piece of that. Say you don't have a Altoids tin or something to use like that. Break off or rip off a piece of your bandana or whatever. Put it inside that aluminum foil. Throw it in the fire. Bam! You got yourself some char cloth. Water's starting to boil. What else? Oh. Say you want to move your camp, but you don't have any more of those matches or whatever. You still need fire. Get yourself a piece of coal from your previous fire, throw in some tinder, roll it really tight into like a cigar. You got yourself a fire transfer. What kind of Bushcraft Ted episode would this be if there wasn't food involved? The more obvious reason to have aluminum foil. Cook with it. Obviously, if you do this, be very careful. Boiling water, you know how it works. And it looks like I can use, I mean, I don't know how safe it is, but survival situation, you do what you got to do to survive. It looks like it can be used again. There's no holes in it. The water didn't run or drip. Now I got me some tea. There is other, like I said, there's other uses, other things you can do with the aluminum foil that I can't do because, like I said, I'm indoors. But I could still tell you what they are. For example, if you, this is going to be loud, but I'll show by example. I bought this roll for this video, so it's okay if I waste some. Alright. Rip off long strips, almost as long as your body. Put them next to each other. I don't know how comfortable it's going to be because I've never used one, but look at that. You got yourself a space blanket, put it over the roof of your shelter. You got waterproof roof. Yeah. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably wrap it around your legs or feet or whatever. Not very comfortable, I'm sure, but hold in some of that heat, that body heat. Well, thank you guys for checking out my ways to use aluminum foil in a survival situation. That's if you decide to throw a roll of it in your bug out bag or your camp bag or whatever, you know, if you have it with you. Just different ways you can use it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informative. Sorry guys, at this point my mic cut off, so I wasn't able to finish what I was gonna say. But if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button after the video. Also, ring my bell to be notified of my future videos. Thank you.